All right, guys, here it is, live and direct. Julian here, J. Lewis Trading, putting together a live video for you guys. And what this video is about are my losing trades. So I want to clear the air about something. First and foremost, I've got probably a 60 to 65% success ratio when I'm trading on average. When I'm killing it, I may be 65 to 75 sometimes, and that's kind of my cap. You'll notice that on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, I'm putting out a lot of trades that have worked out, and I'm not necessarily touching on the trades that aren't working out. So this video is about giving you guys some insight into the fact that I am a losing trader. And what that means is I manage my risk properly. So I'm a professional risk manager and I do take losses. Having said that, the wins that do work out are exponentially greater than the trades that don't work out. So what I want to do real quick for you guys is I want to let you know that on the following stocks, I took a bunch of losses, and in some cases, losses that were a little bit bigger than I was comfortable with. So the first one is OCGN. I took an L. ACB, this was a bigger one. I took an L on that, negative 42% on the position that I took. SEEL, so SEEL, took a loss. GOTU, took a loss. RIDE, took a loss. EXPR, took a loss. VTNR, took a loss. EMAN, took a loss. FTech, took a loss. KC, took a loss. What else I got here? I got RAPT again. I got GOTU, took a loss on both of those. ENTX, took another loss on that. GOTU shows up for the third time, and I took a loss. Clearly, reading this out loud now, me and GOTU have a very, very volatile relationship, and we should just leave that one be. ASTS took a loss. EXPR took a loss. Here's the point, guys. I take losses. I take a lot of losses when I trade. I'm a high volume trader. I trade a lot. I trade every single day. Do I win every single trade? Absolutely not. Is transparency important? Absolutely. This is not my house. This is my buddy's house. Way richer than I am. That's why it's so big. Point is, guys, I don't win every single trade. Like I said, I got a pretty decent success ratio. It works, keeps me consistent, keeps me consistently in the green. But for all of you that are doubting the ability or my ability that I'm constantly profitable, I don't think you should. And if you're doubting that I'm not exercising myself in the sense that I'm sharing my losses, there you go. In fact, what I do is I actually track all of my trades in 20 trade blocks. So what I mean is I'll do 20 trades, 20 of them, and then I'll do the math. I'll do 20 trades, I'll do the math. I'll do 20 trades, I'll do the math. And the last 20 block trade that I did was actually the first time in probably 6 months where I ended a 20 block trade off in the negative, okay? So am I an all-star, rock star, 99% success ratio trader? Absolutely not. Do I kill it like that? Absolutely not. Do I do well? Absolutely. Better than most? Yes. But I do take losses. And the reason why I'm able to stay in the game is simply because I manage the losses first and foremost. It's all risk management. It's all risk management and making sure that your wins are bigger than your losers. And if something isn't working and the strategy is going awry, you just cut the trade and you get out. Guys, this is it. Julian here, J. Lewis Trading. Just wanted to put this quick video together for you guys because I wanted you all to have some transparency on the fact that I do absolutely take L's. Everybody does. And it's not about taking L's, it's about how you manage them, pardon me. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com.